If you want to learn about iOS app development, then you can just make use of this iOS application developer specialization program offered by LearnQuest. So before we see more details regarding this program, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly do that first. Click on the subscribe button and the bell icon that appears after that, so you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this. And you can also join our Telegram channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. I'll give you all those links in description. Do check it out. And here's a small update regarding Coursera. So I hope you all know about Coursera. It's a very good e-learning platform where you can get courses from 275 plus leading universities and companies including Google, Meta, IBM, Duke University, HEC Paris, Johns Hopkins. So a lot of major universities and companies around the world are offering online courses across different categories via this Coursera e-learning platform. So if you want to purchase any course in Coursera, instead of buying a single course, you can opt for Coursera Plus subscription, because this subscription will give you unlimited access to 7,000 plus courses, hands-on projects and job-ready certification programs which are offered by top companies like Google. So if you are interested in this, just check out the link in description for Coursera Plus. So now let's move on and see more details regarding this SwiftFry iOS application developer specialization program offered by LearnQuest. So in this program, you can learn how to develop iOS applications using SwiftFry programming language. More than 14,000 students have already taken this specialization and the rating is also pretty good, 4.5 out of 5. And this is a 100% online course, so you can set your own schedule for it and complete it whenever you have time. And this is a beginner level program. So this is the best part about it. So you do not need any prior experience in this field to join this course. So even if you do not know anything about iOS app development or SwiftFry programming language, you can still enroll in it because you learn all those things in this particular course. So if you spend around 3 hours per week, you can complete this program in just 4 months, and the language of instruction will be English. And here you can see like what you learn in this course. So first you learn about SwiftFry programming language. You can see that here you learn how to set up your environment and develop code in SwiftFry, and then you learn to perform various calculations and build iOS applications. And then you learn to work with data in iOS, and then you'll also learn to monetize your apps with in-app ad purchases and subscriptions. So you can get to learn about all these things in this particular program, and this is how this specialization will work. So first there will be set of courses. You need to take the courses one by one, and then there might be some hands-on project throughout the program. So this will give you the practical learning experience, and finally you will have an opportunity to earn a certificate as well. But there are a few things which we should know about certificate, so I'll get to that part later in this video. So first let's see what are the courses in this specialization. So in the specialization there are 4 courses, starting with the first one, which is Introduction to Programming in SwiftFry. So first you are going to learn about SwiftFry programming language in this specialization. So you will get to learn about all those basics and all the concepts related to SwiftFry, which is required for iOS app development. And then you will move on to course 2, which is the Introduction to iOS app development with SwiftFry. So whatever you have learned in the first course, you will implement it in the second one to create iOS apps. And then the third course is Tables, Data and Networking in iOS. And the fourth one is iOS App Store and in-app purchases. So this is where you learn to monetize your applications. So these are the 4 courses in this particular specialization. So if you want to know what you learn exactly in a course, you can simply click on the show all, and they have given here a brief description about what you can get to learn in these courses. So just by taking these four courses, you can learn about iOS app development. I hope you will definitely find this useful. Now let's see how you can enroll in this program. So I have given you this course link in description. Once you are on this page, just click on this join for free and create your account in Coursera first by giving your name here, email address, and set a password for your account. Click on join for free and log into your account, or else you can use your Google account or Facebook account to create account in this platform. So let me just log into my account and catch up after that. So as you can see here, now I have logged into my account. So once you log into your account, simply click on this enroll button. And here you can choose the time that you need to finish this program, whether you need 1 month, 3 months or 6 months. And then you can simply click on continue and purchase this program. So you can see that here, if you purchase the program, you'll get shareable certificate of completion. You'll also get unlimited access to all the 4 courses. It also has 14-day refund period and EMI payment options. So if you want to purchase the program, you can go ahead and do it. You'll get a certificate and you'll access all the materials and graded assignments, everything. But if you think you cannot afford to pay this price, then there is another option through which you can learn for free of cost. So for that, what you can do here is just scroll down and come to the courses in the specialization area and open the course in which you want to enroll in. For example, if you want to start with the first course, click on it and once you click on the course title, you will be directed to that particular course. And here you can see this course is part of the Swift 5 iOS application developer specialization. So now what you can do here is, from the course page, click on enroll for free. So you will see a pop-up which is similar to the earlier one, but here under the continue button, there will be an option called audit the course. So you can simply click on this audit and enroll in the course for absolutely free of cost. So if you take this option, you can learn for free, but you will not get access to graded assignments. You will not get certifications. So that's the downside of auditing the course. But anyway, if you just want to learn, if you want to access the course materials, you can make use of the audit option. And another option to take this Swift 5 iOS application developer specialization for free of cost is using financial aid. So you can see here financial aid available. Click on it and choose the course. Click on next and then answer a few questions there and apply for the financial aid. So if you are lucky enough, you will get the financial aid. So with the financial aid option, you can get the course for free. You can get the certificate for free as well. So I hope you'll find this iOS application developer specialization program offered by LearnQuest very useful. If you want to get more updates about online courses, do subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this.